ASUS released two new Zenfone smartphones last month, the Zenfone 8 and the Zenfone 8 Flip. I reviewed the Zenfone 8 a couple days ago, so you can check the review here. Frankly speaking, I was so excited when I saw the Zenfone 6 with the flip-up camera being introduced, but unfortunately it didn't reach to Malaysia, even the Zenfone 7. Thankful ASUS has decided to release globally this round, and I get to review the ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong, welcome to Fast Food episode 14. Here's a quick unboxing. The unboxing experience is pretty much the same with the Zenfone 8, but in a bigger box. Inside this box is a SIM ejector, documents, a hardcover case with a flip camera cutout. Additional to it, there's a little latch to keep the camera module in place. Next is the device, USB-C to C cables, and a 30-watt fast charger. Coming to design, it's like any other premium flagship smartphone with glass sandwich design, and the Zenfone 8 Flip comes with a chamfered brushless aluminium chassis. When I pick it up, it does feel very solid and big. Not sure was because I'm already too comfortable with the compact Zenfone 8. It comes in two color options, Galactic Black and Glacier Silver that I have it right now. On the back is a frosty matte finish Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and a flip-out cameras modules. More on the camera later. While on the front, the display doesn't have any notch or hole punch and it doesn't require a dedicated front camera. Therefore, you get a full view display. Since it's a motorized flip-out cameras, concerning it will get damaged if you drop. Fret not, as it has a fall detection where the camera module will automatically retract. On the left side are the volume rocker and a smart key button that double as a power button. The smart key allows you to map to launch almost any application with double press or press and hold action. The SIM tray is located on the left side with dual 5G SIM port and a dedicated micro SD card slot. At the bottom are the LED notifications, USB-C port, microphone, and a down-firing speaker. Coming to display is spot a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel from Samsung with Full HD Plus resolution, in-display fingerprint scanner, 90Hz refresh rate which isn't a new industry leading, but it's not average either. It's one great panel not only for media consuming and as well for gaming. The Zenfone 8 Flip also features a dual stereo loudspeaker which loud and crisp, a complement for the multimedia experience. Now let's talk more about the cameras. It features a motorized camera modules that let you take high quality photos and video regardless on front or back. It's a great device for those who love taking selfies and vlogging. It has the same camera setup as the Zenfone 8 but the addition of the 3x optical cameras, a 64MP Sony IMX686 main cameras, a 12MP Sony IMX363 that does autofocus, and an 8MP 3x telephotos. With the advantage of the flip-up module's camera, we are able to tilt to a certain angle for a more creative shot while still able to see the display perfectly. The photo were taken on the Zenfone 8 Flip pretty much the same as the Zenfone 8, sharp and detailed with natural color profile. The optical zoom-wise wasn't that consistent and the color have slightly washed out compared to the main and ultra-wide cameras. I'll let you guys be the judge with the photo taken by the ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip. Despite ASUS didn't position the Zenfone 8 Flip as their 2021 flagship, it offers pretty much what flagship tier specs for 2021. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. Performance as expected, smooth experience regardless of productivities or gaming usage. Slightly warm from the Snapdragon 888 when playing high graphic intense games, but it didn't affect the performance at light. Here are the synthetic performance test results. The 1500mAh battery is decent size for a big display smartphone like the Zenfone 8 Flips. I can comfortably get a full day of use on dynamic mode with around 6 hours of screen on time. The inbox 30W chargers charged from 0% to 45% in just 30 minutes during my test. There are no smartphones out there that implement such great flip-out camera solutions. It may not be awarded the best camera phone in 2021, but it is the best selfie camera phone for 2021. It's worth noting that the Zenfone 8 Flip is one capable device that's comparable with all the big boys 2021 flagship smartphones. Hope you like these short tech reviews. To give me a thumbs up, subscribe to these channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. That being said, I hope to see you guys at the next one.